Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know that pigeons can remember places and can find their way back home no matter how far they will go? It is because pigeons we use as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and enjoy as our fine feathered friends will showcase their natural behaviors, invite guest participation, and share important environmental message. But let me ask you something. Are you ready to be amazed to our fine feathered friends?
Ready!
Now let's get this show started. Now to start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. James. And to welcome our blue and gold Mahoney, Amigo. So hi Amigo, good afternoon. Now Amigo here has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now Amigo originates in South America but inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment clean. So we have here two sample trash bins, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Now let's see how Amigo will clean up his mess first. He picks up the paper cup, walks all the way, open the bin, and he drops it inside. Good job, buddy. Now for the second one. He picks up the plastic bottle, walks all the way, open the bin, and he drops it inside. Good bird. Now for the third one. He picks up the crumpled paper, walks all the way, open the bin, and he drops it inside. Last one, buddy. Last one. He picks up the plastic bottle, walks all the way, open the bin,